In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert text into shapes in Adobe Illustrator using the standard method and the keyboard shortcut. Converting text to shapes, also known as creating outlines, is an essential skill if you're preparing logos, sending files to print, sharing artwork with clients, or making sure your fonts don't get substituted on another computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the fastest way to turn any text into fully editable vector shapes. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator document and select the text you want to convert. To do this, go to the Selection tool in your toolbar. The Selection tool is the black arrow, and you can quickly activate it by pressing the letter V on your keyboard. Once the Selection tool is active, click directly on your text so that the bounding box appears around it. This confirms that the entire text object is selected. Now that your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on Type. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Create Outlines. Click on Create Outlines, and instantly your text will be converted into vector shapes. What Illustrator has done is remove the live text properties and turn each letter into individual vector paths. This means your text is no longer editable as text, but you can now edit each letter as a shape. To see this more clearly, switch to the Direct Selection tool by pressing A on your keyboard. Then click on one of the letters. You'll notice anchor points appear around the letter. These anchor points allow you to adjust curves, move corners, and fully customize the shape. This is especially useful for logo design or when you want to create custom typography. Now let's talk about the faster method using a keyboard shortcut. Instead of going up to the Type menu every time, you can simply select your text with the Selection tool, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on Windows. As soon as you press that shortcut, Illustrator will instantly convert the selected text into outlines. This shortcut saves a lot of time, especially if you're working on complex designs with multiple text elements. One important thing to remember is that once you create outlines, you cannot edit the text content anymore. You won't be able to change the font, fix spelling, or retype anything unless you undo the action. So before converting text into shapes, it's a good idea to double-check your spelling and make sure your font choice is final. Some designers even duplicate their text and hide the original layer just in case they need to make changes later. Another quick tip, after creating outlines, your text may become grouped. If you want to edit individual letters separately, right-click on the outline text and choose Ungroup. This allows you to move or modify each letter independently. And that's it. That's how you convert text into shapes in Illustrator using both the standard menu method and the keyboard shortcut. It's quick, simple, and incredibly important for professional design work. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.